What's up, everybody? This is Erin with Term Insurance Brokers, and I'm here to answer your life insurance questions. If we got $1 every time we heard somebody say, "I don't need life insurance, I have it through work," we could have retired years ago. Life insurance through work is a nice benefit to have, and you should definitely take any coverage that your employer provides to you at no cost. However, it should not be the only policy that you have to protect you and your family. Simply relying on your employer's life insurance could cost you a lot more money than anticipated. Here are a few reasons why you might not be getting what you think you are when it comes to your group life insurance policies. What happens to your policy when you leave your job? Hardly anybody works for the same employer for their entire career these days. Most people won't even stay in the same job for more than a few years. If you leave your employer, you'll probably have an option to convert all or part of your policy. This is usually extremely expensive. For anyone in reasonable health, the cost of conversion will be much higher than if you bought your own policy. Unless this is the only option to you, this is not the most ideal way to go. Another reason is that the benefit amount is usually very limited. Typically, the max is going to be around 5 times your income or a fixed dollar amount. If it's fixed, it's usually a smaller amount between $100,000 to $500,000. Most employers provide a basic level of coverage, and then anything over a certain amount requires evidence of insurability. Evidence of insurability requires that you be healthy enough to qualify for a larger amount of coverage. For an example, an employer may provide a basic benefit amount of $25,000 to every employee at no cost. The employee may be able to elect up to $100,000 without answering any health questions. But anything over $100,000 may require that you be health qualified, and not everybody can do that. The cost of coverage increases in 5-year age bands. As you get older, it gets significantly more expensive, especially after age 50. When you get to the age 65 plus range, the cost may become astronomical. With most group policies, the coverage amount automatically drops by 50% or more at ages 65 or 70. Unlike personal life insurance, the rates are not guaranteed. The insurance company can raise the cost at any time. The insurance company can also terminate the contract with your employer at any time, possibly leaving you with no coverage at all. If your health gets worse, what would it cost you to go out and buy a policy on your own at that point? What if you can't qualify for any coverage at all? If the employer changes the policy or company, you must take what they give you, and the replacement coverage may not be what you need. When you purchase your own policy, you have a plethora of companies to choose from, and you can also choose the benefit amount and the term amount, and the rates are guaranteed. Typically, non-smokers and healthy people are penalized because the company looks at the average health of all your coworkers as a part of a group. In a random sample of 1,000 employees, some percentage of them may be very sick or will be smokers, and that affects the overall rates that the group has to pay. A healthy employee is effectively subsidizing the cost for the unhealthy employees. If your employer goes bankrupt or out of business, all your coverage will terminate. The only option will be conversion, and for most people, that can be cost prohibitive. Before you sign up for the life insurance offered through work, do a careful comparison of what your projected costs will be over the course of 20 years. You might save money with group life insurance when you're younger, but it might come back to bite you big time as you get older and become less healthy. If you're already signed up for a policy at work, I would encourage you to see what options you have available to purchase on your own. You might be surprised how much less expensive a personal policy can be for you in the long run. If you want a free instant online quote, go to our website at terminsurancebrokers.com. You can always call me at 702-622-7352. Be sure to follow us on all social media. We are on Instagram at Get Insurance Now, and we're on Facebook at Term Insurance Brokers. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.